Hey, it's your girl CHAB, and today I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial right here. All of October, I'll be bringing you inspiration for Halloween. And what do I have here? I have a Galaxy Girl Aurora Borealis theme makeup look right here. I'm bringing you two looks in one. Girl, I'm doing double duty right now. So we got the eyes right here that you can wear on its own with your own little contour, your own highlight or whatever. You could do maybe like a nude lip, or you could add all this nice glitter. We have contour with purple, green, blue, pink, all of that stuff. And we've topped it off with some glitter and glow and shine. You definitely don't have to use the same colors as I do, and you could definitely blend this all over your entire body if you want to. I'm not the original creator of this look. I will definitely link some people down below that I took some inspiration from, so definitely check them out in the description. So if you want to get this Galaxy Girl Aurora Borealis Aspire look, I probably said that wrong. Anyway, then let's get started. All right, guys, so first I'm gonna start off with priming my eyes. I will be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Eden. This is the first step to my whole makeup application, okay? Don't do the face. I don't do the brows. I don't even do the hair, but I'm gonna prime the eyes. So let's just prime these brothers, sisters, whatever you wanna call them, non-binary folk, up. Alright guys, so I will be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette right here. The first color I'm going to start off with is this pink right here. I'm going to use it and I'm going to buff it into the crease and to the outer corner of my eyes. Outer corner, like outer space. Alright, let's go. Next, on the same brush, because we do not waste on this channel, I will be taking this blue on the very last second row here, and I will be blending that onto the outer corners of my eye. Now, it is a shimmer shade, okay? One of the few shimmer shades that is in this palette. It don't matter, okay? Because you try to look all space-like and beautiful and awesome, whatever. Let's just put this in the crease. Sorry, the outer corner. Going into my color switch, I'm just going to do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that, and what do you know? The brush has no product on it. My hand's stained, don't worry about it. And then what I'm gonna do is just blend out the outer edges of this color here. I'm gonna go in with another brush and I'm gonna take this bottom dark blue right here and I'm gonna just deepen up the outer corners of my eye. Now going back with the first brush, I'm just gonna buff it out and blend it and make it a little more seamless. Next, I'm gonna take my primer in a flat concealer brush and I'm just going to do a half cut crease and then work it a little bit into the blue so I can prep for a green eyeshadow, which I will be packing this green eyeshadow right here onto that space that we are clearing out for. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Junkshow, and I am going to follow the crease with that and just kind of layer this on so that we have a defined crease with this glitter. The more glitter, the better. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner in the shade Royal Blue, and I'm going to tight line and line my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes, apply some mascara and apply some lashes, and then we're going to put on foundation, we're going to put on concealer and set the face, and then we'll get to the lower lash line. Let's go! All right, so I have the face baking right now. I don't usually bake, but we have it baking right now. That dark blue that we had earlier, and I'm just going to smoke out the outer part of my lower lash line with this color. With the pencil brush here, I'm going to take the pink from the top, the second pink color here that I used on my crease earlier, and I'm gonna work that into the center and then actually work it under the blue to blend it out to make it kind of like a purple. Taking another pencil brush, I'm going to go into the color Emerald from my Kat Von D Alchemist palette here, and I'm going to work that onto the inner corner and inner lower lash line. All right, so this is the finished look for the eyes. Now you could top this off by adding like a nude lip if you want to make it a little more wearable, but because it's Halloween, we're gonna take it to the next level. So we're gonna start to contour the face and make our face look all galactic, and we're gonna highlight and everything. So going back to the Take Me to Brazil palette, I'm gonna take a large brush. Okay, I'm gonna go into this purple right here, this light purple. It's on the last row, top shade, and I'm gonna take this big old brush that I would use for like bronzing, and I'm just gonna go right into that color there. And what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna work it on to the contours of the face. Now taking a more precise detail blending brush here. This one I use for highlight. This is the Morphe M510. If you use code Halloween, you ain't gonna save nothing off. I'm gonna go into this deep purple right here, and I'm going to deepen up certain parts of my face. It's gonna look a little spotty in a moment, but it's gonna tie in with the theme here. Same brush, I'm gonna go into the blue right next to it here, and I'm just gonna layer on some more and kind of sporadically again put it on my face. Same brush again, I'm gonna go into the pink right here and kind of blend it out throughout and kind of work it onto the center of my face too. I just took some of these two light blues here. I'm just working it on to different parts of my face too. All right, and now to highlight. So for the highlight, I'm gonna be going into my Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic palette here, and we're just gonna put this all over the face. So pretty much all the colors that are there, I wanna do the opposite color. So if there's a purple, I wanna put a green. If there's a pink, I wanna put a blue. I'm gonna put a bunch of these all on my face, and you could get creative with it if you want, but this is how I'm gonna do it. So let's go. The fun part now. So we're gonna take some glitter. I have a mixture of different heavy metal glitters right here. I will be using the Urban Decay heavy metal glitter in the shade Midnight Cowboy right here. Is this nice gold. I'm just gonna be dotting it along the center of my face. And then I'm also gonna be taking the NYX glitter primer and the NYX face and body glitters in the shade GLI06. It's a holographic multicolored glitter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna layer on some of the primer on my fingertips and then just blend it onto the center of my face. Space freckles, guys. And then I'm just gonna layer the glitter on top with my fingers as well. So let's go. And finally, for lips, I will be taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Sway. And then I will be layering on Emerald after it dries over the top of my lips from the Alchemist palette. So, go. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I am bringing you Galaxy Girl, Galaxy Boy, Galaxy whoever, hashtag love wins vibes right here. We are bringing you Aurora Borealis realness. So you definitely don't have to do it the exact same way as I did. I gave you 2 looks in one. The eyes you could wear alone and just do maybe like a nude lip if you want to make it more wearable for Halloween. Or you could go with this whole blown out glitteriness. Also, you don't have to just do it on your face. You can do it on the rest of your body if you want to. It is definitely not an original for me. I took some inspiration from Instagram from different people, many different people. I will link them in the description down below so y'all can check out the looks, okay? But I'm just giving you tips and tricks and ideas just so you can rock and look glowing on Halloween. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. I probably said that wrong. Anyway, Galacted. Oh yeah. I'll definitely link some people down below that I will definitely link some people that I have inspiration from. Oh, what I'm gonna do is